What is absolute value? We have used a coordinate graph like this one to translate line segments. Now we'll look at the distance we move a segment on the graph. Right now we have a line segment located in quadrant 2. We move the line segment to the right, to quadrant 1. Because it moved to the right, it moved in a positive direction. Look at the top endpoints. How many units did this endpoint move? When we moved from quadrant 2 to quadrant 1, we started at -2 and added 10 to get to 8. The same is true for the other endpoint. We started at -4 and added 10 to get to 6. In both cases, we moved 10 units to the right. The absolute value of this number tells us how far we moved. The absolute value of a number is the positive form of the number. In this case, the absolute value of 10 is 10. Let's start with the line segment in quadrant 1. We move to the left, so the line segment is in quadrant 2. By how many units did the endpoints move? As we moved from quadrant 1 to quadrant 2, we started at 8 and moved left 10 to -2. Let's look at the other endpoint. We started at 6 and moved left 10 to -4. In both cases, we moved left 10, which is the same as adding -10. The absolute value of -10 is 10. This means we moved 10 units because distance is always positive.